Well, Ohio is home to so many great universities, both public and private, and colleges. Today, we're going to Skype in 3 college presidents to talk about what they did to prepare for the return of students and just to ask them how things are going. You know, there seems to be, as I have talked with college presidents, I've talked to a number in the last few weeks, a kind of a common theme of what is working. And just I've noticed some things. One, a close relationship among the village or city and the university. So that local community, talked with a number of the mayors this morning, in fact, but that close relationship is very, very important. Close relationship also that includes the local health department. Usually it's the county health department, or maybe the city health department. But that close relationship is very important as well. And a close tie-in between the campus police or the campus security and local law enforcement. Again, they always need to work closely together, but this is something that's even more important during this pandemic. So let me first start with Dr. Catherine Fell, President of the University of Findlay, to join us today. Doctor, thank you very, very much for joining us. And maybe if you could tell us a little bit about what your plans have been and how the reopening is going, and just kind of how you see things at this point.
Thank you, Governor. I'd be pleased to. The University of Findlay has made a successful start thus far to the 2021 academic year. We began classes August 17. Today is day 9 of classes, and we are offering those classes in several modes, as many as possible in person, in class, some a hybrid of both, and others fully online. The university offers online programs already, so all of our faculty have now prepared to offer all of their courses online if that is necessary, and of course in late spring it was necessary. But our Oilers Start Safe and Stay Safe plan has thus far served us well with campus-wide adoption, of course, of the usual protocol, health assessment, we have an opportunity for everyone to do a health assessment tracking on an app that automatically notifies our Center for Wellness if a student or an employee is experiencing symptoms. Our UF All Hazards Training Center is of great benefit to us. It's nationally recognized for its development delivery of customized environmental health and safety training programs. So of course we're taking advantage of that right here on our campus and in our community. We've had a campus-wide adoption of physical distancing, disinfecting of hands and surfaces, facial coverings, and contact tracing. So to date, since the pandemic began back in the spring with force in our area of the United States, we have tested 163 persons with 15 positive cases since the beginning. And currently there are 5 individuals on our campus in isolation and an additional 10 individuals in quarantine as a result of contact tracing. And all of our positive cases, past and present, are doing well, I'm happy to report. So we will stay the course as long as it is safe and responsible to do so. The university's enriched our students' campus experience as we've adapted, as all of my friends whom you'll be speaking with today have done. We've adapted in allowing our students opportunities to build relationships with one another, with the faculty, and with our new students, with upper class persons, through adapting our usual opening of school activities. We, for example, had a drive-in movie night rather than an actual go to the movies night. During Welcome Week, we have outfitted all of our classes with Zoom and monitoring technology of first class order, and that's helped for those students who can't come to class. And then we've set up what we call Findlay Family small group opportunities for students to get to know one another and other people throughout the community. So I would say we've made a good start, And I'm very grateful to you, your administration, and to all the good people here on our campus and our community for going the distance and keeping faith with the protocol, even when it's inconvenient. Our students, I saw our student band practicing yesterday in the hot sun, no shade, with masks on. And I think if they can do it, we can do it. So thank you, Governor, for asking.
Well, Dr. Fell, thank you very much. My next question is going to be how the students are doing, and you kind of answered that with talking about the band. But how is morale with students? I mean, what
students seem really happy. I think with every week that passes, they'll be even happier. We're almost to the end of week 2, and they're delighted that we're not having to go home. And they're enthusiastic. When I see them, they have their masks on, but I can see them smiling. I ran across one of our students in the grocery store over the weekend, and with his mask, he was beaming. He'd had a great start to the school year, and I hope that story is repeated throughout campus.
Dr. Fell, thank you. We appreciate it very, very much, and good luck to you and Findlay.
Thank you.
Hope you all have a great year and stay in school. So good luck.